Okay, so in this session, we're going to learn something very special. It's not about chemistry, it's something to boost your calculation speed. In today's trend of competitive exams, it's very much important that your calculation speed should be faster. So there are some tips and tricks, not everything, according to our Vedic scriptures, which makes our calculation easy. So here are some tips and tricks you're going to learn. To learn this, to speed your calculation, to boost your calculation, some basic things you have to know, some basic things. Otherwise, your calculation will be always difficult. What are the basic things? Make sure your um, you memorize, your memory should have this squares of 1 to 20 at least, cubes of 1 to 10 at least. In your sleep, if someone interrupt you and ask you what is the cube of 9, then you should answer that. So it should be in your memory, and you should definitely learn this. If you don't know up to 20, if suppose you know up to 10 or 15, then uh, try to memorize them. Okay, next is tables. Tables 1 to 20. These basic things, if you know, then obviously your calculation will be easier. Now, when calculation gets difficult in numericals, mostly multiplication, mostly squares, square roots, these things are mainly difficult part. Simple addition subtraction is not so difficult, but normal addition or subtraction, when you try to solve orally, then try to solve this by breaking. Suppose someone has given you in some questions, suppose you have to subtract 17 from 92. So if you write this and try to solve like this, it will take time. So you can break 17 by 15 plus 2. Then if you subtract first 2, then it will be 90. And it's very much easy to subtract 15 from it. So in calculation, try to break your components in tens multiple or 5 multiple. This will make your calculation easier. This same thing applies for addition or subtraction. Suppose with some number you have to add 137. First you add 100, then add 30, then add 7. So this, when you will bifurcate this, your calculation will be easier. And obviously you know that, right? I'm going to teach you with something you don't know. First, I'm going to teach you some tricks of squares. So our first point, we are going to learn squares of some numbers. Squares. Okay. Now, first type in this square series, first type is square of such numbers which ends with 5. Squares that end with 5. That means, suppose you know 5 square equal to 25. 15 square equal to 225, right? If in any number which ends up with 5, suppose for example 45, you don't know square of 45, right? You can't memorize it. So what you have to do, first take the square of last number, which is obviously 5. 5 square is 25. Then the remaining number 4, multiply it with its next number. Its next number is 4, next number is 5, so 4 into 5, it's 20. Is the answer. It's as simple as that. Is the answer 2025. Suppose another example, 85. Tell me the answer. What will be its square?
7225.
7225. As simple as that. 95 square.
9025.
9025. Very simple, right? Next. So it was our type 1. Second type, Second type is square having n number of 1. Suppose 1 1 square or 1 1 1 square, like that. All digits should be 1, then square. Its rule is, suppose you have given 1 1 1 1, it's square. Then what you have to do, you have to write for 1 correspondingly, you should write 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So you have increased the number from 1 to 4. Then you have to decrease the number 4, 3, 2, 1. It will be the answer. Okay. Suppose it's given 1 1 1 square. Then what will be the answer?
So 1, 2, 3,
Hmm,
2, 1.
1. Okay. 1 1 1 1 1 square. What will be the answer?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
4 3 2 1. So much simple. Now next type, third type. Third type is, there are some 9 in the numbers. All digits should be 9. Squares of these numbers. What you have to do? First, suppose it's 99 square. First, what you have to do? 99 minus 1. It will be 98. First, we have to write this 98, 9 minus 1, this is 98. Then at the last, you have to write 1. In middle, you have to put such number of zeros which is equal to number of 9. So in this first portion, how many 9s are there? 1, right? So we have to add 1 0 here. So it will be answer 9801. I think it's getting difficult. Suppose 999 square. First, what you have to do? You have to
9,
first
8.
minus 1, right? 998. Then at last it
Double
will
zero.
be 1. Then 2 zeros are there. 998001. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Suppose 9999 square. What will be there?
So 9998 and then 000, then 1.
1. As simple as that. So it's our third case of square. Fourth case. In this method, you will be able to make squares of numbers from 75 to 125. Okay. That means these numbers are nothing but 100 plus minus x, right? Plus minus 25. This range. Very simple. Suppose I am taking 104 square. What you have to do? First, you have to square the last number. 4 square, right? 4 square is 16. Whatever number is coming, you have to write in 2 decimal place. 2 place. If it's coming 1, suppose it was suppose if it would be 101 square, then last digit would be 1. So 1 square is 1. Then you have to write 01. So you have to fill 2 place. Okay. Now we have increased 4 from 100, right? So add 4 with this. So 108. So 10816, it will be the answer. Try another one. 106 square. What will be the answer?
So 11236.
11236. 6 square means 36. It is already in 2 decimal place. If it's not 2 decimal place, if it's more than that, then you have to carry it. Okay, carry it with the previous number. Okay, 106 square, it has no problem. Suppose 112 square. Next, 12 square means how much?
144.
144, but we have to write up to 2 place, so not 1, so it's 44. So 1 is carry. Okay. Then
Okay.
112 plus 12, that means 124. So 1 carry,
Mm-hmm.
that means 125.
5.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me 103 square.
uh 10609.
10609, because 3 square means 9, but we have to fill up to 2 place. No, nothing is carry. So 3 plus 3, 106 and 09. Okay. But till now we have taken example of such numbers which are more than 100. Similar thing, exactly similar thing is when the number is something less than 100. We have to subtract that from 100. Okay. Suppose it's 99 square. 99 square means first, mm, wait, 99, it was the last rule, right? It was the last rule when all digits are 9. So we can solve with that only. Suppose 91, 91 square. 91 square. So how much it's less than 100?
9.
9. So 9 square. 9 square means 81, right? It was the extra 4 which I was multiplying, right? So now it's extra 9 or less, no, 9 digits are less, right? From 100. 9 numbers are less from 100. So 9 square is 81. Then this number is 9 less than 100. So minus 9, isn't it? So
Yeah.
82. Try 98 square. What will be last 2 digit?
9604.
Yes, last 2 digits will be, it is 2 less than 100. So 2 square means 4. So up to 2 decimal place 04. Then 98 is 2 less than 100. Then minus 2. That means 96. 9604. Okay.
Yeah.
For subtraction, normally what I was discussing earlier, suppose it's given that 92, suppose it's given that 92 minus 8. In this type of calculation in examination hall, what you will do, you will break this small part. 8 means 2 plus 6. So first subtract 2, that will be 90 minus 6. It will be very much easier to go to the conclusion. Okay. Okay. Another type of this kind of this kind of breaking of numbers. Suppose 67 plus 48. In this number, when you have to add faster, then you can do this orally. Plus 3 minus 3. Plus 3 means 70, minus 3 means 45. Now your calculation is very much easier. And with practice, it will be more fluent. Okay. So till now, what we have seen the numbers with squares, numbers of squares, which ends with 5, which have all digits 1, which have all digits 9, and 75 to 125. That means 100 plus minus x. Now type 5, it's 50 plus minus x. 50 plus minus x square. In this method, you will be able to make squares of numbers from 25 to 75. That means 50 plus minus 25. 50 to
Okay.
75. Now, how to approach this? Suppose, mm, suppose you have number 64 square. 64 is, in previous case, baseline was 100. Here baseline is 50. So it's how much more than 50? 14,
14.
right? 14 square means 196. But here 96 will be there and 1 will be carry, obviously. Now it's 14 more than 50. This 14 number you have to add with 25, not 50. Okay.
Okay.
Always you have to add with 25. Initially it was always 100, but here you have to add with 25 or subtract with 25. Okay, from 25. Okay, 5 plus 4 9, 2 plus x 3 39, but here 1 is carry, so 40, right?
Yeah.
Okay, using this, try to solve 52 square. What will be last two digit?
04.
04. Then
27.
27. Okay, then try 42 square.
Last two digits should be 64.
64.
3 plus 33.
42 is 8 less than 50. So you have to subtract from 25.
Oh, okay, okay. Fine. So 25 minus 1 7.
1 7. Simple. 46 square.
2 1 1 6.
Hmm. Okay. It's clear, right?
Yes.
One more questions. One more question from last concept. 89 square.
89 would be 11. Yes. Last two digits should be 21 and 1 carried forward, and 100 minus 11.
It's 11 less than 100. So minus 11, right?
Yeah.
And 1 carry.
70.
That means basically minus 10.
79.
79. Similarly, do for 121 square. And I am telling you, for this calculation, you will be needed 21 square. Remind it, 21 square is 441.
Yeah. So last two digits 41 and 4 carry forward.
4 carry.
Yeah. And along with that, add 21 to that number, which is 2, 4, 1 plus 4. So 146. 41. Yeah.
146. 14641. Simple. When you will be adding something or subtracting something, then try to write in your copy or wherever you are making rough. Try to write first number, then second number. Not try to write like this, something plus something. It will complicate your calculation. Because in this way, you can visualize easily. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So our square part is over. It's good if you memorize squares up to 25. Then from 1 to 125, anything you can calculate, write this, right? 25 up to
Hmm.
25, you know, from 25 to 75 from this concept, and from 75 to 125 from previous concept, right?
Yes.
Okay. So our square part is over. Now, uh, the most useful part, tricky part, multiplication. Multiplication. We're going to learn multiplication techniques. First type. When something is getting multiplied with 999, etc. 999, etc. Okay. Condition here is, in this place, digits, number of digits equal to number of 9. Number of 9. For example, suppose 784 into, here 3 digits are there. So this trick applies for when there is 39. Okay.
Okay.
How will you calculate this? Now, first take minus 1. First minus 1 of these three numbers. What will be this? 783. Okay. Now with this result, multiply subtract it from 999, subtract it from 999. So first three digits will be 783. When you will subtract 7 from 9, it will be 2. 8 from 9, that will be 1. 3 from 9, it will be 6. So 783216, it will be the answer. Okay,
Okay.
tell me what will be the answer. So you have to subtract from the result, not the original number. Okay, subtract this result from 999. 583 into 999. What will be the answer? First,
So first three digit is 582,
582.
and next one should be 417.
Now you have done the mistake. You are taking this one. You have to subtract 9 from this, from 582.
Yeah. 9 minus 2 is 7.
Yes. 7, 7. 4, 417, right?
Yes.
417. Okay. Next. Now, if it's exception with this concept, suppose 53 into 999. So our given number is less than the nines. Okay. Now, very simple. What you will do, you will imagine it's like this. You can imagine it like this, 053.
Yes.
So according to it, what should be the answer? Do just similar thing.
5 2 9
052
4
9.
7.
Yes, 947. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, so initially use 0, you can take it or you can remove it. This will be the answer. Okay, next,
Yeah.
28 into 99.
Okay. 2772.
2772. You know your calculation speed has increased.
Yeah.
67 into 999.
So 6 6
Hmm,
3 3.
33. Next, 284 into 9999.
Okay. 283
Hmm,
9.
9
Then 7.
7
Then 1
1
and 6.
and 6. Okay, so you are
Also, in
taking
the
just
previous
0.
one, I think I forgot a 9 between the 6 and 3. Uh, that's 67
0283
into triple nine.
0283
The previous one actually, 67 into triple nine. I forgot a
0.
9 between.
Yes. 9. So 0 0 6 6, then 999 minus this number. So 3. Sorry,
6
0
6 minus
6
3 3.
6 9
Hmm.
3 3. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is our multiplication trick number 1. When another thing, if what you will do if number is more than number of nines. So we have discussed number is less than number of nines, right? If the number
Yeah.
is more than number of 9, for example, 243 into 99, then you can't put 0 or something, right? Then simple,
Hmm.
what you will do, you will take 243, 99 you will write as 100 minus 1. That means 24300 minus 243. It's
That's
simple
good.
calculation. Okay, you can do it
Yeah.
like this.
Hmm.
Okay, now next type, second type, multiplication. When your number is like this, 1 0 in number of zeros suppose, and ending with 1. such digits, you are multiplying something with such a number where which start with 1, ends with 1, and n number of zeros in between, right? So what you will do, for example, uh, and here n plus 1 digits should be there, n plus 1 digits should be there. For example, suppose it's 101 into, here will be such number where there will be two numbers here, 10, that means anything you can multiply it with this trick which have two numbers in between. Okay, that means for example 68. Okay, or 101 into 73. Okay, these are two digit number as and number of zeros are 1, so this trick applies for these cases. Have you understood it?
Yes.
Answer will be very simple. Write 68 and again 68. Next one, what will be the answer?
7373.
7373. 7373. Okay, that means suppose a number is ABC and you are multiplying it with 1001, then the answer will be ABC ABC, isn't
Yeah.
it? Okay, suppose now it's little exception as initial case. If my number is something less than number of zeros, suppose I have 1001 into, here expected number according to this rule was number of should be 3, right? Then you can calculate it.
Yeah.
But suppose it's 27, you have to just put 0, right? 27 means 027.
Hmm.
Then you should write
So
027 027
7027. Hmm.
027 027, as simple as that.
Yeah.
Okay, so here there are two zeros, so this rule generally applies for digits one digit more than number of zeros, right? But if it's not more than, it's if it's less than, then continue it with 10. But if it's more than expected, suppose 1001 into, you are expecting here three digits, suppose here four digits are there, 1 2 3 4, then simply we have to break 1001 as numbers 1000 plus 1 into 1 2 3 4, and simple standard calculation 1 2 3 4 0 0 0 plus 1 2 3 4. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, so we have learned two rules for multiplication with 9 and 0 0 0 1, right?
Yeah.
In all case, there are a standard rule of number of digits. If it's less than, then add 0. If it's more than, then bifurcate the number 99 or 101 with 100 plus or 1000 plus or 100 plus minus or 1000 plus minus, right? Next
Hmm.
multiplication trick, uh, very simple. Most of the times this trick we use. Suppose suppose there are numbers A, B and AC. There are two numbers we have to multiply, and summation of B plus C is 10 for these numbers. For example, 63 multiplied by 67. Okay,
Hmm.
then what you have to do, 7 into 3, that is 21. 7 into 3, that is 21. You have to write it two place. Okay, then this 6, both are 6, so 6 plus 1 you have to multiply, so 6 into 6 plus 1, what will be the answer?
42.
42. So 4221, it is the answer. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, now suppose another example, 53 into 57, that means 7 into 3, 21, it's up to 2 decimal place, no problem. Then 5, there is 5, so 5 into 6, next number. 5 into 6 means 30, so 3021. Okay.
Yeah.
Then suppose 64 into 66, what will happen? What is the answer? Fast.
4224.
4224. Then 71 into 79, 9 into 1, that is 09, right?
5609.
5609. Very much simple. So
Yeah.
unit digit is different. So summation of unit digits are 10, and summation of 10th place digit is 10th place digits are same, right? This case.
Yeah.
Okay. Next case. So it is case number 3, right? Okay. Next, fourth case. Fourth case. B A C A. Unit digit is same, but B plus C is 10. Okay.
Okay.
Then what will happen? First, you have to multiply it A into A. For example, 6 3 plus 4 6 plus 4 3. This is such kind of example. See, unit digit same and summation of these digits are 10. Okay. So 3 into 3, 3 into 3, like the last
Nine.
case,
Given.
0 9 up to 2 place, right? In this place, what you have to do, 6 into 4, you have to multiply it, plus you have to write this number. 6 into 4 plus 3 plus unit digit number. That means
Okay.
2709. Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose 82 22. Now 2 2, that means 04, right? 8 into
1804.
2, 8 into 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, right?
Yeah.
Next 74 into what?
Into 34.
34.
Yeah. So last two digit is 16
16.
and 25. 2516.
2516. Simple, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, bad page. Okay, so we have learned 4 multiplication techniques. Now fifth one, any two digit number. Suppose 32 into 24, any two digit number. Multiplication of any two digit number. First, you have to multiply these two. 4 into 2, 8. Okay. Then cross multiply the digits. What will happen? 3 into 4, cross multiplication means 3 into 4. That
Yeah.
means, let me take another color. Yes. 3 into 4 means 12, and 2 into 2 means 4. So 12 plus 4 means
16.
16. You have to write 6, carry 1. Okay. Now square of last, not square, multiplication of last two digits. 3 into 2, 6. Carry is
6
1.
plus
So 7.
8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose any two digit number, 43 into 1 8. 8 into 3. First 8 into 3. 8 into 3 means 24.
24.
4 to carry.
4 carry 2.
8
Yes.
into
Then
4, 32, and 3, 35.
35 plus 2. So 7 and 3 carry.
37, 7, 3 carry.
Yes.
4 into
And
1.
4 plus 3,
4
7.
plus 3, 7. Right?
Hmm. Yeah.
Do it for 78 into 49. Into
Okay.
49.
Hmm. So 2 and then 7 carry. 63 plus 32. 63 and 7 carry. So The 10 will be carried and 2 will be there again. 2 and then 10 carried and 28 plus 10, 38.
3822. Okay, I think it's
Yeah,
much more simpler than the conventional method, right?
yeah,
Next, 57 into 64.
okay. Uh, 8 at the end. Uh, so 20 plus 42, 62 plus 2, 4, 6 carry. Yeah. So 11 plus, okay, yeah.
Okay, so it's called
Yes.
actually 1-to-1 rule. It's called 1-to-1 rule. So that means first set you are taking, then second 2 multiplied, 2 cross multiplication, and next again 1, right? So 1-to-1 rule. If it's
Yeah.
3 cross 3 digits, suppose 1 2 3 into 4 5 6, I'm telling you very fast. First you have to write. First, what you have to do, first step is multiplying this. Second step, so first digits is here, multiplication. Second digit
Yeah.
will be here, second digit will be cross multiplication of these two. Okay,
Okay.
second digit. Third one is cross multiplication of mm, cross multiplication of this and this. So there will be third digit. Okay,
Okay.
fourth digit will be cross multiplication of last two. Fourth digit and
Mhm.
last will be multiplication of last one. Okay,
Clear.
if you practice this with some questions, and it will be very much easier for you. Okay, so
Mhm.
we can call it 1 2 3 2 1 rule, because first we are multiplying one row, the one column.
Yeah.
Second, we're cross multiplying first two, then cross multiplication of three, then two, then one. Okay,
Yeah.
so match it, and you have to add carries as like that. Okay, one digit, suppose it's 16,
Yeah.
then you have to put 6, then one carry. You have to practice like this. So take examples according to your own and solve this. Okay, practice as much as possible. Okay,
Okay.
in next session I will try to get to you some more such kind of trick, but it's most of your calculation worries will be sorted if you follow this and practice this. Okay,